Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exhilarating world of scalping with stochastic oscillators, a strategy where precision and speed can be the keys to unlocking trading success. If you're looking to master the art of making fast entries and exits in the high-speed trading environment, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the essence of scalping. In this fast-paced trading style, we're talking about holding positions for a few minutes or even seconds. This approach thrives on volatility, where quick, informed decisions are crucial. And when we're discussing tools for scalping, the stochastic oscillator is a standout. Developed by George C. Lane, it's a momentum indicator that helps us pinpoint market momentum by comparing the closing price of a security to its price range over a specific period. Now, for those of you wondering how to optimize these settings for scalping, here's what we recommend. The typical settings of 14-10-03-3 might be a bit sluggish for us scalpers. By shortening the %K period to something like 5 or 9, we can react more swiftly to market changes. Adjusting the smoothing on the %D line can make our decisions even more agile, and tweaking those overbought and oversold levels to 70-30 or 85-15 depending on market conditions can help us filter out false signals and scalp more effectively. But remember, trading, like any skill, improves when we do our research and learn from others. That's why I urge you all to follow the insights of other successful traders and keep learning. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We regularly share strategies and insights to help you stay ahead in the trading game. To truly excel, consider combining the stochastic oscillator with other indicators. Volume analysis, RSI, and MACD can reinforce our trading signals. Fibonacci retracement levels can offer additional layers of validation. And for those looking to elevate their scalping game, exploring advanced techniques like multi-time frame analysis and algorithmic trading can be incredibly beneficial. Let's quickly touch on a case study from Admiral Markets. They effectively blend the stochastic oscillator with other tools, using time frames strategically to pinpoint precise entry and exit points. It's strategies like these that underscore the importance of integrating multiple tools for refined decision-making. Remember though, as thrilling as trading can be, it comes with risks. It's crucial to have a robust risk management strategy in place. Set your stop losses wisely and keep your position sizes proportional to your risk tolerance. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that trading should never involve risking all your money. Always trade responsibly, and remember that capital preservation is key. The world of trading offers endless opportunities, but it's the disciplined and well-informed traders who truly thrive. Thank you for tuning in. Stay sharp, stay informed, and see you in the next video.